In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave notes on transactions in QuickBooks Accountant using the sample company. This is a simple way to track important details and keep your internal records clean and consistent, even if you're practicing without real client data. We'll begin by signing in to QuickBooks Accountant. Using your accountant dashboard ensures you're in the right workspace for firm tools and gives you access to the sample company, which is perfect for testing and training without affecting any live books. Once you're in, open the sample company from the Your Practice area. This lets you follow along safely and see exactly how notes appear on transactions. It mirrors a real file but won't impact any client records, so it's great for trying out workflows or training team members. Next, head to the left sidebar and choose Transactions, then select Bank Transactions. This view pulls up the list of transactions imported from connected bank accounts, which is where you'll add and review your notes. Think of this as your staging area for quick reviews, clarifications, and internal context. Browse through the list and pick a transaction you want to add a note to. You can choose something like a recent deposit, a payment, or a transfer, whatever you want to document for clarity. Open the transaction details so you can see the fields available for editing. In the transaction details, look for the Memo or Notes field. This field is designed for internal context and is ideal for quick explanations, reminders, or confirmations that will help you or your team later. It's also a good place to record what you verified, who reviewed it, or anything that might matter during reconciliation or reporting. Type your note. For example, you might write, "Reviewed payment, verified bank deposit." Keep notes short but descriptive, and use consistent phrases your team understands. This helps maintain a clear audit trail and saves time when you revisit the transaction. When you're done, click Save. Saving attaches the note to that specific transaction, so it will be available anytime you open it again. This is especially helpful during month-end reviews, audits, or handoffs between team members. Repeat this process for any other transactions you want to annotate. Building the habit of adding concise notes can prevent confusion, speed up reviews, and provide a reliable history of what was checked and why. Your notes will remain attached to each transaction for internal reference, giving your team lasting context without cluttering customer-facing documents. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.